What is the BTU rating of a Burnham V-15A-T boiler?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Discovered boiler section leak, seep via crack, yesterday. Need to know BTU rating to shop for replacement boiler.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
No.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not today.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. Please be patient, it can take a few minutes for me to respond. Depending on firing rate, the V15 has an output of 190K with an IBR net out of 170K. A Burnham V8H5W would be a comparable replacement.
That is all I need today, thank you.
You're welcome. I'd appreciate a favorable rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.